Southside on me. Southside on me, yeah. Pull up to the club with a check. Rolling APs and Protects. Got the baddest bitches with me.
What is good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Chipmunk Beauty, and I'm back with another video. It is sadly the end of Black History Month. I made this video on the, what's today, 23rd, but I'm not posting it until the last day of Black History Month. So if you're watching this, it is February 28th. But that doesn't mean anything because we're going to celebrate Black History all year round, as we should. So yeah, I know you guys see this look. This is what we will be getting into today. So if you would like to see how I created my Black History Month inspired look today, stay tuned and keep watching. But before I hop into this video, you already know what I'm about to say. If you've been on my channel before and you're not subscribed, you need to subscribe, because just why not? Just do it. Just do it. Period. So like, comment, subscribe, and share. Give this video a big thumbs up, because this look deserves a thumbs up. So give the look what it deserves, and let's just be friends. So you might as well subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you are notified every time that I post, and you can see this beautiful face of mine. So yeah, I'm done rapping. Now we can get into the look that you've all been waiting for. So yeah, thanks again. Enjoy the video. Bye. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take my Dickinson toner and a cotton pad. I'm just going to clean my face. I had my eyebrows on earlier, but that was for church, but I want to do some fresh brows. So I'm just gonna clean my face. Now that all the dirt and old makeup is removed, I can put some new eyebrows on right now. And voila, we're back with brows. So I'm going to be taking this concealer by Maybelline. This is the Maybelline Master Concealer in the shade Medium, and that's what I use to clean up my brows. And I'm just going to use some of the concealer to prime my eyelids using this Real Techniques buffing shadow brush or concealer. I don't know what this is called, but it's going to be the trick. I'm going to take my Black Radiance Loose Setting Powder. This is in the color Banana. I'm just going to pick up some of that. And now we're ready to start the look. So today's look is Black History Month inspired. So it's gonna be some reds, some greens, some yellows, but I want to put a smoky eye with it. So let's just hop right into it. I'm going to take the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, a staple palette I feel everyone should have. And just because it has all the colors, it's affordable and it's pigmented. So yeah, I'm just going to grab this Real Techniques brush, a tiny one. It actually came with that purple one I just had. Well, it came in a set. So I'm going to take, I don't know. I think I'm going to start with this yellow. I'm going to start off with that. Boom. Okay, so with another blending brush, I think it's gonna work with me. Same type of blending brush, just by a different company. Another soft blending brush. I'm going to take this green right here, and I'm gonna go right next to the yellow. Okay, and with the last blending brush, I'm going to take this reddish brick color. I don't know what to call it. Very rusty, almost reddish orangish color. So I'm going to take that and blend right next to the green in the outer corner. Okay, see the color? See the color? See the color? Now keep all 3 of these brushes because you're gonna need them for later. So now that I have all of my color on, I'm going to go into, I'm in my room because I felt like filming in my room today. So I have to use my tiny little nightstand. So it is what it is. So I'm going into this palette because I really love the black in this palette. Like, it's just very rich and it's very pigmented. It's right here. So the brush that I use to fill in my brows with has another end and it's a bit more dense. So I'm going to use that and pack on a lot of the black. You see that? I'm packing it on, not swirling, I'm just patting. And what I'm going to do now is kind of just pat here and just build on until it's as dark as I need it to be. See, I'm just packing it on, not blending it out yet. So I'm gonna stop right around here because I don't want it to be too, I want it to blend it out. So I'm going to get another brush and just put a little black on the blending brush and blend the black into the color. You'll see what I mean in a minute. Okay, so I just grabbed a clean blending brush. Okay, so I grabbed a clean blending brush. I'm just going to get a little bit of the black, like really not much at all. And I'm just going to start blending. Okay, so you see that? Now I'm just going to clean up the edges so it's nice and short. Sorry for my bed, it makes a lot of noise for some reason. I think the frame is just really old. So I'm just gonna grab a light and see what is it. Everything's clean, everything's nice. Okay. And now I'm just going to go back in with some of those colors and just bring them back to life just a little bit. This is the eyeliner. This is the eyeliner. Oh yeah, I'm feeling it. Are you feeling it? Because I'm feeling it. You see it? So now that the eye look is pretty much almost done, I have to do my face in order to finish the look. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline primer. I believe this is in the shade 100. This is this new Blur primer. Pick this up from Target. Oh, good. Next up, foundation. The 2 shades I'll be taking from Maybelline, the Maybelline Fit Me, is 355 Toffee, I believe. So this is Coconut and 340 is Cappuccino. I'll be mixing these 2 together to get my perfect shade. But before I do that, where's my piece de resistance? My piece de resistance. Ooh, I said it all wrong. But this is the Master Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter in the shade Medium Nude Glow. I just like to put this all over my face. It gives, since the foundation is pretty matte, I wanted to have some shine in it. So I put this all over my face. And it also helps like get my perfect shade because I do have like gold tones in my skin. So, and I'm going to be taking my Real Technique brush. It's dirty. It's not really dirty. I just used it this morning, but it was clean before I used it, so don't clock me. Or I will clock you on something. Don't know what it is yet. Oh, if you're not subscribed, I'm clocking you for that. So handle that, please. Thanks. Okay, but do you see what I mean? You see how it has that little glow in it now? Thank you. So the next thing I'm going to do is grab my new favorite concealer. This is the Instant Asian Wine Concealer. I got 2 more there right there on my desk, and this is in the shade Caramel. Dripping in my ear. I'm gonna use the same brush. I use the same brush to blend out all of my face stuff except for my contour. I use a separate brush for my contour. So get with it. Real techniques. Get with it. Did you like the setup in my room? I feel like it's more homey. It's more like chill. I can like decorate the wall. Yellow is my color if you couldn't tell. Okay, for contour, I'll be taking the Ruby Kisses Contour Kit. This is the powder contour kit, and I will be taking a contour brush. I don't know who this vibe. It was a gift at Christmas from like some time ago. So I'll be taking these 2 shades right here. Okay, contour is on. Now I can dust away this one. Oh, she snatched. She snatched. I'm not gonna start saying that, but I might start saying that. No promises. No promises. Now, moving on to blush. I'll be taking this Maybelline Fit Me blush. And this is in the color 50, which is in the shade Wine. This is like the only blush I've ever used. So, that's just what it is. Blush is good. We're good on blush. Highlight, my favorite part. But first, I'm going to spray my face with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray. Cyber as like my lip liner, and then I'm going to fill it in with heroin, and then I'm just gonna use the Shine Shot as my lip topper. And let's see how this goes. You see the lip. You see it. I know you do. Okay. Now to put some mascara on, top and bottom lashes. And then I'm going to apply some falsies. So the lashes that I'm using today are by Kiss in 08 So Wispy. So I'm going to apply these and come back with the final look. So this is the final look. The lashes, everything is on. That is your focus. It's focused. So this is my Black History Month inspired makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you like the dramatic, sorry, because I can get dramatic. So yeah. If you like this video, please do not hesitate to give it a big thumbs up. If you're here, you might as well subscribe. It's free. You don't have to pay any taxes for it, you know? Just go ahead. It's easy. It takes less than a second to do. Just tap, and while you're at it, you might as well tap the bell so you are notified each and every time that I post, so you can see my beautiful face every time I post, because I will be posting. I will really try to post, if not once a week, every other week. New stuff, vlog with my friends, makeup. I got a couple hair videos coming up, so watch out for it. That I really have something special for you guys coming soon that involves my hair. So just stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. I love the support. I always am so thankful for all the support that I've been getting. So let's just keep that going, and you know, all 2019. More growth, more subscribers, more likes, more comments, more shares, all that good stuff. So thanks for watching again, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.